YouTube has tested out a brand new feature, which is called timed comments. In which case, what timed comments is that it takes all the comments with a timestamp in it, and then it put it in order for the video, and then they will be displayed as the video is playing. Once it's out of beta mode, if YouTube gets positive feedback from it, then hopefully we'll see it in other places. But in order for you to try it out, all you have to do is, while you're on someone's video, go to comments and then go to filter, and you should see timed comments right there. There's only two reasons that timed comments wouldn't be there. One, because it's in beta mode, so not all channels are going to be in YouTube's testing. And then two is, even if it is in YouTube's testing, if that specific video don't have any timestamp comments in it, then it can't use timed comments. Ultimately, I think it's a good idea. Even if it might have one or two drawbacks, the biggest drawback I'm seeing from it is that it will take somebody's eyes off of the video, because you keep having new comments pop up right under the video. So that's gonna distract people, and people are gonna want to see what the newest comment says. And if you're reading the comment, then you're not looking at the video at the same time. So essentially you might have to rewind the video in order to see what every person's talking about if you're looking at every single comment. Not every video is geared towards having timestamps. Like this one, for example. This one is just the update video. So if you are not one of those channels that timestamps would, usually be geared towards, then what can you do to actually utilize it? You could use timed comments as a way to, one, probably do some affiliate marketing. I want to do a timed comment where I have a affiliate link to icebreakers or something right now to just pop up, do something like that. Also, if you got like a question you want to ask your YouTube audience right then and there, maybe you forgot to say it though, you could just go ahead and add it in, and that'd be another bit of information. Maybe it's not a question, maybe it's just a tidbit of information that you forgot to add into the video. You can just add it right there as a timed comment. So there's still ways that you can utilize timed comments yourself, even if your audience isn't going to use them. So yeah, that's just my thoughts on it. So what do you think about timed comments? Do you think that this will be something that's here to stay? Do you think that it's a bad idea and they should just go ahead and get rid of it? With all that being said, hopefully you like this video, and if you did, why don't you press the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, check out my other social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching.